Hey guys, Steve here, work hard, travel more. Back to reality for us, no more holidays for probably another 7 or 8 months. So here we are in Cairns where we live, which is in the top part of Queensland in Australia. One of the things I do for fitness, I'll do a couple of runs a week on our lovely Esplanade. It's a good little 5k circuit, 2.5k out, 2.5k back to here. And a lot of little sights we see on the way, and I thought I'd share some of those with you. I hope you enjoy the run. Come on down, walk it, run it, or cycle it. It's a great little spot.
Many miles away from home, steps were difficult, I'm exhausted, but I did not fall. I hope something good is coming up. Free like a bird, but also bound up, and my footsteps on the ground. I raise my head, listen to the sound. I'm happy with what I have found. Just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe. No one ever told me how hard it's gonna be. My way is full of branches like the roots of a tree. Where should I go from here? I need a good advice. The elders waiting for me at sunrise. I'm in the prison, open doors, 10 directions on the floor. I lose my mind, lose my sight. Tell me how I'm gonna win this fight. Just breathe, just breathe. Just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe. Take the courage, babe. Everybody breaks. This is not your fate. Have a new taste. 'Cause I would rather die than to live a life not being who I wanna be. Have you ever tried? I would rather die not being who I wanna be. Just
Alright, so halfway, 2.5 k's. I'm not doing too bad for timing. Hope you're enjoying the many sights from the Esplanade. It's pretty cool running down here every night. Probably live in one of the better places in the world for running. It's the Cairns Esplanade. Still got to get all the way back yet, so here goes, let's go.
We fight the unknown on a journey back home. What's waiting, I don't know. I'm trying not to let go, but I will climb until I reach that side. I'll look back knowing I tried, and that I gave it all, I gave it all, I gave it all. But I will climb until I reach that side. I'll look back knowing I tried, and that I gave it all, I gave it all, I gave it all.
Right, 4k in, 1k to go. Sitting on 22 minutes, which is a pretty good pace. I'll try and keep the pace up and get us to the end. 1k to go. Whew.
But I will climb until I reach that side. I'll look back knowing I tried, and then I gave it all. I gave it all. I gave it all.
Whew, made it. 5k. Not sure what time, I'll check that in a minute. I haven't got my glasses on. But not bad for an old fella, I reckon. As you see, it's a great little run out there, eh? Like we see a lot of different things in our travels, all sorts of sights. Hopefully I've captured a number of those for you to enjoy. And as I say, if you're not a runner, jump out, walk it. First thing in the morning, last thing at night with a beautiful sunset. Can't beat it. Cairns Esplanade. Highly recommend it. Have a good one.